Hey everybody, this is Jake, aka the Korean Jew, crypto trader, and today we're going to be talking about Walton Chain Coin. This is a coin that's traded on Binance, symbol is WTC, and I almost tripled my money in about 12 hours yesterday, so really exciting. Before I go any further, I want to let you know that this is not financial advice, it's just my own opinion. Always do your own due diligence and research, but yeah, Walton Chain Coin. We're going to get right into it. Not to be confused with Chain Coin, CHC. People did make money on that. A lot of people lost money on that, and that was really kind of pump and dumpy. This is something that I believe to be actually legit and completely undervalued at this price. Uh, how did I find it? I was on Binance on Thursday, and I noticed that Binance had some coins that were really running up like the last month or so. So think about BNB that had parabolic growth, HSR. People are like, what is HSR? And then I see this WTC hits. I think it hit. When did it hit? August 27th, and I'm watching it, and it just dumped. I mean, it really dumped into oblivion. I think it was trading at like 0.0024 and it started to go down, way down. Anyway, I didn't know anything about it, and I started to do some research, some digging. I came across their website, which was in Chinese. If you go to that website, you're definitely in the top right here going to click on English. But the bottom line is, this is kind of like people have coined it. I'm not going to take credit, but I was one of the first that started calling this the iota of China. Um, think about Neo, Ethereum of China. That was kind of hot. So you got a lot of new people in the space that get hype over this type of stuff. Um, that's a good start right there. But anyway, what really drew me to this project once I started to research was that they're doing RFID, which is a really hot sector, and they basically want to put China's supply chains on the blockchain so that they can track and monitor all sorts of different goods. They're starting in the apparel sector first, but they can move to anywhere from cars to chickens to anything. Bottom line is it's pretty good. It's a good idea. They have a strong team of Chinese and Korean people. I think everybody talks about this one guy. Is the VP. He was a former VP of Samsung, and they won some awards. So the team seems pretty solid. I don't know 100% how great they are, but it seems pretty legit to me. I know they do have some ties with the Chinese government, so that was enough to at least draw my attention. Um, so on Thursday, I saw it was at 0.00019, and like a noob, I kind of just bought it, thinking I would hit, um, and it dumped. I mean, it really dumped down to, I lost almost half my money in about 12 hours. And I woke up the next day, and keep in mind, this is a very small speculative purchase. That I reserve about 10% of my total portfolio to things that I'm like really going out on a limb on, trying to hit big. The majority of it is long-term hold, like 70% long-term hold, solid coins, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, stuff that I think is really good long-term, like Quantum, OMG, Civic. I like those. And then 20% I do like quick trades where I try to make 10 to 20%. And I don't have any loyalty. I don't love them coins. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll pick up SNT at like 1,000 Satoshi and sell it at 1,300. Real quick. That's 30%. Goodbye SNT. Now I'm into ARC or LISC, and these coins, they're good coins. I don't want to get into something that I don't want to hold, but anyway, I digress. Back to Walton. This shit is hot right now. I'm not gonna lie. If you look at the chart, I mean, yeah. So I bought it 0.19, which is like here, and it dumps down to here. And I do my research, and I find out that this is, iota of China, and they are a proof of stake model rather than iota, which is Tango. So proof of stake, for you don't know, if you don't know, something that's really hot. A lot of the proof of stake coins are going ham right now. That means that you can stake your coins and then create dividends. They don't have that feature yet, but they are implying that when they do release the wallet, you will be able to stake and make dividends. So that's really good, number one. Number two, the other thing that really brought me in was that they have 100 million tokens and 25 million in circulation that hasn't been updated yet on CoinMarketCap. So right now it's at like 851 and they don't have a market cap, but in reality they have 25 million in circulation and the coin is at 1.5. So they're like around a 40 million market cap, which is small, but it's not 851 small. They're in the top 100. And as soon as CoinMarketCap gets that shit together, they're gonna start to show up, and people are gonna notice it. Also, when I first bought the coin, they didn't even have a Twitter account. Their Slack was dead. I joined Slack. I mean, it was dead in there. People were scared. I'm like, hey, I just bought it 0.00013, which is what I did after it dumped. I bought back in. I did more research, and I was like, you know what? I'm going in on this thing. So I bought like a shitload more. Like my initial investment very small, and I saw it dump down. The ICO price was 0.000167, so it was way below ICO price. I had bought it 1.9, and I thought that was good, but it wasn't. And I went in on it. So back to Twitter, yeah, all of a sudden Walton has an official Twitter. People start to talk about it. Bittrex follows them. That's huge because Bittrex is a big American exchange, and 95% of the coins that they follow, they end up listing on their exchange. So if Walton was to hit Bittrex, you're going to see a moon. So we got proof of stake, Bittrex potentially. CoinMarketCap is not updated yet. Only 25 million supply. You have Chinese and Korea hype. People talk about Ghost Month. I don't really believe in that, but Chinese people let me know if that's real. But that's almost over. So apparently, a lot of superstitious Asian people don't want to invest during this period. Walton is also going to some conferences, pretty big deal conferences, September 3rd to the 5th. Excuse me, another one on the 8th. What else? Yeah, the government backs the coin. It's good. It sounds really good. It seems to be really undervalued. I don't know what's going to happen, but look at the chart. But here, within 12 hours, it was up here. So, I took my profit out. Now I'm just letting it ride. And to be honest, when it came down here, I bought more. The support looks to be in this area. So like 0.00025, between 2.5 and 2.7. Like if you want to get in, that's where you get in. Because this thing could go. It could go for another 100 to 200% pretty easily. We've all seen it happen before if you're in this space. Right now, it appears to be pretty overbought. It's dangerous. If you're crazy, you may buy right now. But at the same time, that we've all seen that happen too, where it looks high and all of a sudden it shoots off for another 200%. So don't. That's why this is do your own research. It's not financial advice. If I didn't have any and I wanted to get involved, this is like the area where I'd be looking at right here. So, it's up to you. Do your own due diligence. And yeah, this is my first video. No script, one shot, one take, one kill. Korean Jew right here. So yeah, hopefully I'll be making more videos for you. I was just really excited about this, and fuck, I fucked up. I don't know. I'm new to it.